Hey guys, Mrs. Phillips here, and it's time to do some more math today. We have some pretty easy math lessons, so I combined two of them for today's work. We have 12.6 and 12.7, and it's going to be on calendars and schedules. So first of all, let me give you a few tips here or facts that you should probably already know. First of all, 1 year has 12 months. It also has 365 days, except for leap year, which is this year, 2020. It has 366 days. Every month has between 28 and 31 days, with most of them having 30 and 31 days. The only month that has 28 is February, and on leap year this year it has 29, which adds that one extra day, gives us also the 366, adds one more day to our year. Every week has 7 days, and we will be using that fact often today in our work. So most of you know all of these facts already. So let's look at a calendar. Here is our month of May that we have not been to school. So sad, but let's take a look at it. First of all, 1 week straight across the calendar, you can see Sunday through Saturday is one entire week, 7 days, right straight across, okay? So it makes it very easy to see your weeks when you're reading a calendar like this. The second thing is, if you notice there's the 30th right here, the number 30. Some calendars will leave that blank before the number 1. So before May 1st was the 30th of April. April is the month that comes before May. So the 30th of April ended on a Thursday, and May 1st began on Friday. So actually, because of the way that this all worked out, the first Sunday of the month of May is right here, the 3rd. Okay, so it's important to know that the 26th up there, that is not the first Sunday of May, because that's actually back in April. All right, some calendars will show the little bit of the previous month and a little bit of the next month. So you'll see the first down at the bottom here, and that's actually the first of the next month, which will be June, summer. So that also means the last day or the last Saturday in May is actually here on the 30th, not below it on the 6th, okay? So the month of May is confined between number 1 and 31. After that is the previous and the following months. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one day here, the 13th of May, okay? And if I want to go a week before the 13th of May, all I need to do is look at the square above it. That is exactly 1 week before the 13th. If I want to look at 1 week after the 13th, I just look below, and that's the 20th. So a week before the 13th was the 6th, that's today's date, and a week below the 13th is the 20th. And so this is how the calendar works. It really helps to see the weeks before and below, and you're going to have an exercise like that in your work page today. Let's move on to schedules, and this is something that comes very easily to you guys because Mrs. Phillips and all of our school works on a very tight schedule, okay? Between 7:55 and 8:10, we arrive, door closes right at 8:10. You guys know a song goes on at 8:10, has about 4 or 5 minute song to get your homework out, right? We're just following that schedule all on down. Then normally I'll get up and I'll do prayer with you guys, talk about the day, talk about what's happening. That usually lasts until 8:30. 8:30 to 9:30, math. 9:30 to 10:30, language and writing. 10:30, woohoo, recess. Okay, sound familiar? That should sound familiar. What I want you to see is the time span and the elapsed time. Oh, sound familiar? In the beginning, we're giving you 15 minutes to get here. to arrive, to get to class. That's a good amount of time. You also have 5 extra minutes kind of that I give you just to get yourself settled and ready for school. Then we're going to do about 15 minutes of prayer and talk. Sometimes that goes a little longer, you know. And then I give 1 full hour for math and 1 full hour for language and writing, okay? And then you guys get a 15-minute recess, 15-minute break, all right? This is how schedules work. So you're going to be doing 12.7, which is all about scheduling, and it should come pretty easy to you. Read carefully about what they want to ask, what they're asking you to do, and you should be totally fine with today's math work. Let me know if you have any questions. Hit me up on Zoom. I will be available between 1 and 3. Just email me or message me on Edmodo. Good luck, guys.